I am super happy with this 100 pack of poly bubble mailers. They are also opaque, they're water resistant, and they're also super durable too. They're also self-sealing. Now these measure 10 inches by 6 inches, and inside dimensions are 6 by 9 inches. Now they're very durable and they're also self-sealing as well, which is really nice and convenient. This is perfect to put DVDs, or you can also put jewelry, photos, or other items too, which is perfect. Definitely recommend these. I'm very pleased with my purchase. And it comes in a 100 pack, super simple. They're also very lightweight to ship. They only are 0.3 of an ounce. Awesome. So it's not going to cost you extra in postage. Definitely recommend these. Very nice, very slick. Thanks for watching and hope you found this video helpful.